Begin by finding a comfortable seated or lying position in a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. And just allow your hands to rest gently on your lap or by your sides. And then when you feel comfortable to do so, you can close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Fill those lungs completely. Now on your next breath, just hold it for a moment at the top and then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing all the air and any tension that you may be holding on to. Do this breathing exercise 3 times more to signal to your body that it's time to relax. And as you continue to breathe deeply and evenly, just imagine a cord extending from the base of your spine down into the earth. Visualize this cord reaching deep into the ground, anchoring you securely to the earth's core. And with every exhale, feel yourself becoming more and more grounded and more centered. And with every inhale, draw up that calming energy from the earth into your body. Now, bring your awareness to the top of your head, where your crown chakra is. And as you focus on each part of your body, imagine a warm, soothing light beginning to spread from the top of your head down to your toes. This light gently relaxes and releases any tension in your muscles. So all the way from your head, down your neck, through your shoulders, down both arms and hands, and let that warmth spread to your chest, filling up that heart space, your back, your abdomen, and your hips. And feel it continue down both legs, all the way to your feet. Allow yourself to feel completely relaxed and supported. And now that that warming light has filled your entire being, I'd like you to picture yourself in a serene location. This could be a beach, a forest, a mountaintop, or any place that represents peace to you. And see yourself in this place. Feel the environment around you. Notice the temperature, any scents, any sounds, any movement. This is your safe and tranquil space where stress cannot reach you. And just take a moment to soak up that environment all around you. And as you explore this peaceful place, find a spot to sit or lie down and get nice and comfortable. Imagine that with every breath you're soaking in the tranquility of your surroundings. With each exhale, visualize yourself releasing that stress, worry, and negative thought from your body. These energies are leaving your body, carried away by the wind or the waves, leaving you feeling lighter and more relaxed. Notice how, as you release each worry, the environment absorbs it and transforms it, transmuting it into positive energy. The trees, the water, all the air around you all glow brighter with every breath. You are surrounded by a protective and healing light, filled with calm and peace. And as you remain seated in this environment, you may suddenly want to notice a bird or a butterfly just flying past you. And as you look up to the sky, you see more of these. Everything is so serene. Everything is so peaceful. And a wave of calmness washes over your entire body. You can feel the sun on your skin, warming every cell of your body from within. That warm light, that glowing sensation, it's within you at all times. And peace and serenity lives inside of you at all times. And just sit here for one more moment, just to bask in that sunlight, with the birds and the butterflies flying around you in your peaceful, serene environment. Now, gently begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. You may like to wiggle your fingers or your toes, or just even feel the surface beneath you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, carry with you that sense of calm and peace from your visualization. You may want to rock your head from side to side, give your shoulders a little shrug, and then when you're ready to, you can slowly open your eyes, just taking a moment to acknowledge the relaxation in your body and the clarity in your mind. Remind yourself that you can return to this state of peace at any time, simply by focusing on your breath and revisiting your tranquil place in your mind. I hope this meditation helped you today. Please check out some of my other videos on my channel, and if you visit the shop at cannycrystals.co.uk, use the code YouTube for 10% off everything. I'll see you all again next time.